How to take away the ceiling in Homestyler. Removing the ceiling in Homestyler is a great way to open up your 3D view, especially if you want to showcase a more expansive interior or work on multiple floor levels. Once you're inside your Homestyler project, head over to the 3D floor plan mode. Here, you'll notice a toolbar that lets you control visual layers of your design. Look for the setting that allows you to toggle the ceiling visibility. In many templates, the ceiling is shown by default, but Homestyler gives you control over each floor's visibility separately. You can click the eye icon on the ceiling layer to hide it. This allows you to better see lighting, furniture, or second floor construction. Taking away the ceiling isn't just for visual clarity. It also helps when you're aligning top view. Features like lofts, lighting, or wall-mounted decor. If you're working on complex designs with multiple floors, hiding the ceiling can reduce clutter and improve accuracy. Also, when preparing for a final render or walkthrough, removing the ceiling gives a cleaner, more open experience. Want to experience full control over your designs? Don't forget, the link to try Homestyler is in the description. Join Homestyler for free and unlock powerful features without needing a design background. With practice, you'll find this feature is useful for almost any layout, from minimalist apartments to large, multi-story houses. So next time you're struggling to view your top-level layout, just toggle that ceiling off. It's that simple.